out here. It's me and Angel, the pink sock. We're out here riding bikes at Sorrento. And we're just riding through a bunch of puddles because it just rained. Like, not this one because you get stuck in that one while you're recording on your phone. Lesson learned. You can see that in another vlog on our Instagram. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go up to this blacktop area over here to read it on my bike. Angel, I'm gonna need you to hold the phone.
Where do you want me to
Just hold it while I get on my bike.
I know, but like stay put.
Gotta stay close for a second.
Hello. Let me like move over here. Oh, I probably have my thumb in the cam. Yeah, because we're kind of riding bikes. Okay.
Hi.
There we go. Sorry about all this craziness.
No.
Oh gosh.
Lost balance here. Pretend that never happened.
Yeah, that never did happen.
Nothing happened. Let's just keep going. Do-do-do. Yay. Turn and turn. I don't want to be completely soaking wet. Oh my God, help.
Oh, okay.
It's just hands.
That's beautiful. That's a beautiful pose there.
Ooh, the squeak of those shoes.
Beautiful montage.
Ow, raining in my eyeball.
Well, it's raining on your phone, so
I don't care, this is drizzle, but it hurts in my eyeball.
yeah. Whoa. What was that there?
I don't know. More of them.
Oh, it's raining even harder now. Like, look at that puddle.
Let's go, guys, because I don't want to ruin my phone. We better get heading back now, so. Bye,
Yeah.
guys. Hope you have a great rest of the day.
Bye.
Rain over into the tire.
Wow. Okay, bye.